All right, guys, new week, new lessons. Here we go. All right, our focus question for this week is, how do living things change as they grow? Now, we know that we are a living thing, okay? Well, I'm sure you learned from Miss H that we are living, and there are things that we require or that we need in order to grow, okay? Because you don't just stay small forever, as nice as that sounds. But we're going to learn about how living things change as they grow. The stories for this week is called It Is the Wind. Then we're also going to look at From Caterpillar to Butterfly, which is a perfect example of how living things can change as they grow. Then we're going to look at some folklore, okay? It's called Anansi and Grasshopper, and we're going to learn a very important moral or skill in our life that we can just use in our own life, okay? Our sight words for this week, again, we have a lot. Find, from, but, this, came, on, all right? And we're going to focus on those words. Make sure you're using those words in sentences, okay? In our stories, we're going to be looking at sequence of events. So we've looked at sequence of events before. We've talked about what begins first, next, and last. In your worksheets this week, you're going to find that you're going to be doing a lot of cut and paste from reading a story and telling me the order that a story happens, okay? So make sure that you're focusing on that. We're going to continue to blend sounds, and then we're going to segment sounds. And what that is now that we're familiar with beginning sounds and ending sounds, and we're still kind of working on middle sounds, but we're going to learn how that we can take a word, change one letter from that word, and it becomes a new word. And we'll do a little bit of practice of that this week before we really jump into it, okay? So we're gonna dabble a little more in diagraphs and just continue to work on our same concepts to prepare us for our next unit test, all right? So I'll see you guys later.